In this video, we are going to learn how to find the midpoint if 2 points are given to us. First, we need to know the formula for the midpoint. So the formula for the midpoint is x1 plus x2 whole divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. I am just going to explain you first where the midpoint actually lies if I can see it on the graph. So let's just say one point is here and one point is just here. I'm going to label it A and I'm going to label it B. Let me just write down the coordinates. Let's just write 2 comma 4 and the B is 12 comma 8. Okay, so what I have, the midpoint, if I draw a straight line joining these 2 points and just right in the middle, this point is known as to be the midpoint. So what this formula gives me is the coordinates for this point, the value of the x and the value of the y of this point. I can find that through this formula. So if I have to find the midpoint of A and B, let me just write down here. A is 2 comma 4 and B is 12 comma 8. I'm just going to label them x1 and y1, and this one is x2 and y2. So I am going to just plug in these values right just in the formula. So midpoint of AB is x1 is 2 plus x2 is 12 whole divided by 2, comma y1 is 4 and y2 is 8 whole divided by 2. So I am just going to solve it. 2 plus 12 is 14 divided by 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 divided by 2. Let me just fix this. Okay, 12 divided by 2. Okay, so I'm just going to simplify it. This cancels out and gives me 7, and this cancels out and give me 6. So the coordinates for the midpoint for these 2 points is 7 and 6. That's it.